For sale, 2016 Ram 5500 4x4 Bucket Truck, Versalift SST-40-EIH, 45-foot working height, electric drive. Utility owned, offered for sale is a 2016 Ram 5500 4x4 bucket truck, equipped with a Versalift SST-40-EIH insulated aerial lift. A highly versatile and dependable unit designed for electric utility contractors, telecommunications companies, sign installation crews, municipalities, streetlight maintenance departments, tree trimming operations, and general aerial service work. Combining the rugged capability of a four-wheel drive Ram 5500 chassis with one of Versalift's most sought-after insulated boom configurations, this truck provides exceptional access, maneuverability, and productivity in a compact and highly capable package. Power is provided by the legendary Cummins ISB 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine producing 325 horsepower and paired with the highly regarded Aisin AS69RC 6-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain combination is widely respected throughout the utility industry for its durability, towing capability, and long service life. The truck is equipped with an exhaust brake, locking differential, and electric shift-on-the-fly transfer case, providing outstanding traction and control in off-road environments, construction sites, utility easements, and adverse weather conditions. The 52-gallon fuel tank provides excellent operating range for crews working long days in the field. Built on a Class 5 medium-duty chassis with a 19,500-pound GVWR, the truck features a 4x4 drivetrain, hydraulic braking system, spring suspension, and a single rear axle configuration. The chassis is supported by a 7,250-pound front axle and a 13,500-pound rear axle, while the 168.5-inch wheelbase provides an excellent balance between maneuverability and stability. Additional upgrades include a heavy-duty front suspension package specifically designed to support the demands of aerial lift applications and utility service work. Mounted on the chassis is a Versalift SST-40-EIH insulated aerial device featuring a combination articulating and telescopic boom design. The unit provides an impressive 45-foot working height, 40-foot platform height, and 27 feet 9 inches of maximum side reach, allowing operators to efficiently access power lines, telecommunications infrastructure, streetlights, signs, and elevated work areas. The boom is insulated to Category C standards with a dielectric rating of up to 46 kilovolts, making it suitable for utility and electrical applications when operated according to applicable safety regulations. The aerial device features continuous rotation capability and a 180-degree platform rotator, providing outstanding positioning flexibility and reducing the need to reposition the truck on the job site. The bucket accommodates one occupant and is rated for a 400-pound platform capacity. The unit is equipped with Versalift's electrical-resistant 4-axis control system, delivering smooth, precise, and responsive boom operation. Additional features include a hydraulic tool circuit for operating hydraulic tools directly from the platform, chassis insulation, and an electric drive aerial system that provides quiet and efficient operation while reducing fuel consumption. The unit currently shows 174,330 miles, 9,079 engine hours, and only 2,559 PTO hours. Additional equipment includes a power inverter and various utility spec upgrades. The fleet notes indicate that multiple matching units are available, making this an excellent opportunity for companies looking to expand or standardize their fleet. The combination of four-wheel drive capability, Cummins diesel power, Aisin automatic transmission, insulated Versalift aerial device, electric drive operation, hydraulic tool circuit, utility ownership history, and meticulous maintenance makes this truck an outstanding value for contractors and utility professionals seeking a dependable, work-ready bucket truck.